opening the link of accident attorney in America. Worldwide motor vehicle accidents are a major cause of death, and despite improvement in the automobile safety, projections have indicated the death for the traffic crash will increase significantly by 2030 because of increased projections have indicated that from traffic crash will increase significantly by 2030 because of increasing motor vehicles ownership. Example of cause of a traffic accident include spending, drug driving, distracted driving, and inexperienced driving. Although seat belts can save lives, millions of people fail to use them. Likewise, helmets are an effective means of protection motorcyclists from traumatic brain injury and death. Yet many riders choose not to wear helmet. Motor vehicle accidents result in a wide range of injury and often is permanent disability. In an attempt to limit some of these damage, laws in place around the world have been especially to improve road safety. For example, some US states have imposed universal helmet law. All motorcycle riders and passengers to wear protective helmets. Some government impose fines on automobiles driver and passengers who do not use seat belts. Accident involves buses are also responsible for injuries to large number of people, and this has led to seat belts used in some place. Safety feature on car include seat belts, side impact, and airbags have contributed to fewer injury and death. Certain change in the design for the car bumper and have been aimed at causing less harm to who may be hit. Measures such as campaigning on the dangers of drunk driver, enforcement of speed limit, the use of camera to catch traffic law, companies, and education of children about road safety have helped raise people awareness about the improvement of safety on the road. Accidents during sport have long been the cause of disability injuries. Since the rise of modern organized sports in the 18th century, all sports, especially those involving contact such as boxing, American football, and rugby, have witnessed injuries, disabilities, and death. Sport is which an individual is evaluated off the ground, such as horseback riding, mountain climbing, and rappelling, account for a high number of head and spinal injuries as well as